Ever feel like your Illustrator designs are a tangled mess? Today, we're untangling the chaos and learning how to master layers in Adobe Illustrator, transforming your workflow and making complex designs a breeze, which is also known as layer management. First, let's activate the Layers panel. If it's not already visible, go to the window menu and select Layers. This panel will be your command center for everything layer related. Now let's create some new layers. Look for the Create New Layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. It looks like a little plus sign. Clicking this will create a fresh, empty layer. You can create as many layers as you need to organize your artwork. Think of each layer as a transparent sheet. You can draw on, move, and arrange these sheets in a stack. By default, Illustrator usually names new layers sequentially, like Layer 1, Layer 2, etc. Let's personalize. Double-click the layer's name to rename. Name your layers using clear and descriptive titles. For example, label a layer background, text, or logo to easily identify what's on each. This is how you get started using the workflow. Let's now practice some layer manipulation. You can click and drag layers up or down in the Layers panel to change their stacking order. This dictates which objects appear in front of others in your design. You can also lock a layer by clicking the space next to the Layers icon. This will prevent you from accidentally editing its content. To hide a layer, click the icon, click it again to bring your layer back into the view. Illustrator also allows you to put objects in other layers. Select an object on your artboard. A small filled square will appear to the right of the layer containing the selected object. This indicates which layer it lives on. You can move the object onto other layers by clicking and dragging this square onto the layer you like. Mastering layers unlocks efficiency. Your designs will be far more organized and you can tweak separate elements with ease with layers. You eliminate accidental edits. This is all you need to know to manage layers in Illustrator. Keep creating, keep learning, and thanks for watching.